How much cash can you deposit into Monzo? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much cash you can deposit into Monzo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to give you a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of banking services, including a current account, a prepaid card, and a savings account. One of the things that makes Monzo unique is that you can deposit cash into your account using a cash point. How much cash can you deposit into Monzo? The maximum amount of cash that you can deposit into Monzo in one go is £2,000. However, you can make multiple deposits in a day, up to a total of £5,000. If you're depositing cash into your Monzo account for the first time, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a photo ID and a proof of address. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to deposit cash into your account without any restrictions. How to deposit cash into Monzo? There are two ways to deposit cash into your Monzo account. Using a cash point, you can find a cash point that supports Monzo by using the Monzo app. Once you've found a cash point, simply insert your Monzo card and follow the instructions on the screen. Over the counter, you can also deposit cash into your Monzo account at a post office. To do this, you'll need to provide your Monzo card and a proof of identity. Additional information. You can also deposit cash into your Monzo account using a check. However, there is a limit of £1,000 per check. If you're depositing a large amount of cash, you may need to provide additional identification. Monzo does not charge any fees for depositing cash into your account. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, you can visit their website or download their app. Additional content. You can also use Monzo to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Monzo to pay bills and make online purchases. Monzo offers a range of rewards and perks, such as cashback and travel insurance. I hope this additional content is helpful. Thanks for watching. End script. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.